Hey there friends, thanks for checking in. Today we're looking at Springfield's first 380 ACP handgun called the 911. People say that they copied Sig's design from their P238 model, and I'll do a side-by-side comparison right now, and you can see that the overall height, the overall length, the magazines are even interchangeable, and the barrel length for both of them are 2.7 inches. So do I feel that Springfield copied the specs, if you will, of the Sig P238? Absolutely I do. In all fairness though, that is not too uncommon in the gun world. We see that all the time, and it's a popular design. A lot of people like the P238. I think a lot of people are going to like this 911. Now the MSRP on this is $599. However, I go up and down Gunbroker, I see it right around the $500 mark. Couple stores on there are selling it for a little more, but some are selling it for less, in the upper 400s. So that makes it less expensive than the P238. You can see right now I've got it cocked and locked. If you're a fan of 380 ACP and you like the 1911 style, this offers it. And then we do have an unloaded firearm there. I'll just sweep down that thumb, and there you have a single action trigger pull. It does come with a cardboard box, a nylon padded case, and a pocket holster that is velcroed in, which gives it multiple uses. You could put the opposite velcro on something else, a vehicle, in your safe, in your range bag, and take it out. It's good to go in your pocket like that, or just keep it there and transport it back and forth. Also comes with 2 magazines inside the gun. Now is a flush fitting 6-round magazine. Also comes with a 7-round magazine, which has an extended base plate. And if I was to carry this gun, I would carry it with the 7 rounds, because in this case it does allow 3 fingers to make contact on the grip. Not a full grip, but enough to make contact and have better control of the gun. I have this loaded now because we're going to get it on the scale. And speaking of the 2 guns, let's go ahead and get these on the scale right now. Here's the P238, and then we'll put the unloaded weight for both of them, and here is the 911. Weighs almost 1 full ounce lighter than the Sig P238. One of the things that Springfield says that they changed, and they did, is the grip on the mainspring housing. You can see that it has they call it an octo grip. You know, Springfield does this grip. Some of their XD models have the grip zone. These are called the octo grip. It just offers a little different kind of texturing there. I'm not sure that's going to make a difference. Really not a big deal, in my opinion. But what I do like are the 3-dot sights. These are Ameriglow Pro Glow sights, and the front sight is green tritium. So that has a nice picture to it. When you align it, it aligns pretty well. It's easier sight acquisition, in my opinion, and then the overall night sights come standard in the package. Extended beaver tail there, aluminum frame. You can see the engraving there. It says 911, and on this side, just your regular Springfield Armory there. The 911 has some angled rear serrations, a little different cut in it. You can see it on both sides there. Is it a game changer? No, I don't think so. Does it work? Yeah, it works. It's kind of cool. And then it also has a loaded chamber indicator right there. That bar will pop up a little bit when a round is loaded. The trigger itself, single action. Springfield says that it measures right at 5 pounds. I'm measuring it pretty consistently at 5.5 pounds. We'll go ahead and take a look at the trigger. Just a little squeeze there. Not a lot of trigger travel at all, which is consistent with 1911 handguns, in a very short reset. Right there, very short. So follow-up shots, double taps should be fine with the 911. Let's go ahead and get it on the scale. I already showed you the unloaded weight, but I think most people are going to carry the gun with this 7-round magazine. And so we'll use this. 7 rounds, target loads, 380 ACP, no round in the chamber. The loaded weight with 7 rounds, 16 5/8 ounces. Disassembling the 911 is not too difficult. You bring the slide back about that far. I already have the pin partially removed. It is very tight, especially being a new gun, but you're going to push on the opposite side, remove that pin, and off comes the slide. here is your aluminum frame. And then you have an uncaptured recoil spring and guide rod. It is tight. And there you go. Does have that cutout in the guide rod to replace over the barrel, and there is your 2.7 inch barrel. Easy setup. This is the same as the Sig P238. It's not hard at all. It's actually quite common with many of these smaller 1911 like handguns. Now this piece needs to be pushed down, and then we're going to place that pin back in, and there we go. Just replace that. Reassembled. So there it is, guys. A quick overview of the Springfield 911. Is it better than the P238? I don't know if it is. I have to take it to the range and shoot it and check it out and see what I think and show you guys what it can do. It does come with 2 magazines, and it's a little bit cheaper, about $100 less than the P238, but you really need to shoot it to check it out fully to see if it's something that can compete with the well-known, well-accepted 6-hour P238. But I have to say, everything that this shows right now, it's a quality made micro subcompact 380 ACP handgun. Range review is forthcoming. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.